Grimbots!
Did you hear that crash?
Crashing plus no fish equals the salmon might be in trouble.
To the roomster!
Launching roomster in
3, 2, 1.
Seatbelt! Not cool. Grim HQ's blocking the river like a dam.
Should have known Glitch would be up to something fishy.
Grimbles! This isn't helping the salmon at all!
Glitch! You need to get Grim HQ out of the river, now!
I can't! It's too heavy to move because it's full of water and all those silly fish I'm helping.
You're really not helping them. You're blocking them, Glitch. They can't get past to lay their eggs.
The roomster will sort this.
Oh, well done, no jetters. Now it's stuck and broken.
The roomster's stuck. Not cool.
We have to help the salmon get moving and fast.
I'm on it! Let me see. Taste it.
What's Kyan doing?
Flippers plus shiny sleeping bag equals he's a salmon.
Hey, this way! Follow me!
Kyan, they won't go that way. They only swim upstream to lay their eggs.
The fish might not follow you, but those bears will.
Uh-oh. Salmon! Run!
Grimbots! Hurry up and get this fixed!
Not cool. The avenue of the baobabs is glitched.
Come on, go-jetters!
Don't worry. We'll put things right and find your mum and dad.
That's it, Grimbots! Push!
Grandmaster Glitch, you've got to get Grim HQ down from there.
That's what I'm trying to do!
Yes, but without damaging the baobabs.
You and your lights are scaring away animals that live here.
It's all the Grimbots' fault.
I've got a plan, go-jetters.
No, don't even think about it.
We need
Here we go.
click-ons.
Knew it.
Ubercorn, we need to fix Grim HQ and get it out of here.
You got it, go-jetters. Time for a mix to fix that glitch. Geo-Fix. Geo-Max. Geo-Giant.
Come on, go-jetters.
I'll be right back. This won't take long.
Let's do this!
Geo Max, set to repel. Too tangled. Not cool.
Okay, that's the panda's den finished. How do they like the bamboo, Foz?
They really like it.
Hey, Foz and Lars, we're on our way to check out your panda den.
Great! It's all finished.
Yeah.
Awesome!
Great job, you two.
But we're running out of bamboo.
Relax, Foz. It's time to munch on some funky facts.
Funky facts, funky facts.
Let me tell you about the place we're at.
With Ubercorn's funky top 3.
There are less than 2,000 pandas left in the wild. Places like the Wulong Nature Reserve in China help to look after pandas and increase the numbers of this precious, beautiful animal.
2,
Giant pandas eat a lot of bamboo, up to 38 kilos every day. That's the same weight as 2 whole Fozes.
1,
The bamboo forests are in danger from deforestation. That's when trees are chopped down faster than new ones can grow. Pandas can't survive without bamboo.
Let's go and get some more bamboo, Foz.
Right, Lars. Quick!
A bit more there, and a touch more there. What do you think of my masterpiece, Grimbots? Whoops. Can't reach. Grimbots, I need more sticks.
Wow! What a great way to spend my birthday.
And if this baby reindeer arrives today, you'll have a birthday buddy. Hey!
Let's play. Oh! Birthday snowballs!
I haven't got a snowball, but I can throw you some frosty facts. Hit it! Let me tell you about the place we're at. It's freezing up here in the Arctic Circle, but the reindeer don't feel cold. Each hollow hair on their coat traps air to keep them toasty warm. My hooves are good for disco dancing, but their special hooves are good for walking in the snow. The Sami people know everything there is to know about reindeer. Knowing how to care for them is passed down from generation to generation. It's a family affair. In spring, the reindeer go on a very, very long journey called migration. It takes a week traveling over mountains and valleys to catch a ferry that takes them to their warmer summer home.
Reindeers on a ferry?
Awesome!
Silly clouds! My beautiful trophy! Grimbots, have you found it yet? Well, in that case, Grimo-Mag, go! Oh, Cripples!
What was that? Kyan?
Awesome! Hey, come back, Aztec King!
I love zip lining!
I think I'm starting to enjoy this a little. What's happening?
Hello? Mr. King? Where are you? Whoa, Aztec treasure. Hey, you've dropped your treasure. Whoa, Aztec magic. The king. Hey, I have your treasure, your majesty.
What's he doing? Oi!
Whoa, Glitch?
Cripples! My trophy! It's gone again!
Trophy? So it's not treasure and you're not an Aztec king.
I don't have time for this. Grimo-Mag, full power!
Whoa! Zipline plus big stretch equals...
Foz?
Glitch, what are you doing? Hold your Grimmer Man!
Quiet! You'll scare the birds. I'm getting my trophy back.
Lars, here!
Thanks, Xuli.
Hey, cool statue.
Yeah! This one looks like Lars.
It is me.
Good monkey, give me back my Grimo freeze.
Monkeys plus Grimmer-freeze equals... we need to find those monkeys!
We'll be right back. Lars, don't move.
The tourists!
I got this. Oh. No, I don't.
Whoa! The monkeys have glitched Monkey Bay!
Whoa!
To the Broomster!
Launching Broomster in
3,
2,
1.
seatbelt!
Okay, Grimmer Freeze, coming to get you.
Everybody, hold on! Come on, Broomster! Full power!
Stop, Xuli. The ice is too thick, and that boat is stuck fast. You'll pull it to pieces.
Oh, not cool! But we can't just leave them there!
It's okay. I've got an idea.
Ubercorn, I need my Geo Giant to help get this boat free.
Yeah, and I need my Geo Jump.
You got it, Go Jetters. Time for a mix to fix that glitch. Geo Jump. Geo Giant.
Stay cool. Help is on its way.
Yay!
Woo! In a moment.
Keep quiet, Grimbots. We don't want to scare them. Oh, oh.
There is a gorilla. Huh? With Grandmaster Glitch.
And he's got a cold!
Oh no! The baby gorilla will catch his germs.
Grandmaster Glitch, keep away from that gorilla.
Ah, no, Jetters.
Oh, just when I was starting to feel better. Get off.
Come back, cuddly
Oh! We lost them.
We lost them? You were flying the drone!
I'll find them. Oh! Oops!
Foz, give me that thing!
Kyan, Lars. We've got trouble. Grandmaster Glitch and a baby gorilla are heading your way.
But there are traps everywhere.
We need click-ons.
Ubercorn, we've got to clear the traps before Glitch and the gorilla get hurt.
You got it, Go Jetters. Time for a mix to fix that glitch. Geo Ball. Geo Jump.
It's okay, Grimbot. I've got this.
Don't want to rush you, buddy, but... Wow!
I need my... Thanks, Grimbot.
Take that, sea monster. Taste it.
Good work, go-getters! Those seagulls still want their breakfast. Shoot! Shoot! Leave those crabs alone!
We need click-ons.
Ubercorn, we need to protect the crabs and get the sand back to the beach.
You got it, go-jetters. Time for a mix to fix that glitch. Geo Shield. Geo Ball.
Here they come! There's so many! Geo Shield, go! Yes! You're safe now, little crabs! Oh, we can't stay like this all day.
We need that sand back, fast!
On it, buddy.
Stop it! No, Jetter! That's my sand!
No way, Glitch. It belongs to the Academy Beach.